We're addressing an estate issue in this edition of The Law and You. Back with us tonight in the Virtual Law Center, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, good to see you tonight.
How's that black jacket in the heat?
You know what? It's pretty good in the studio, but I tend to shed it when I head outside this time of year. Guys, question involving an estate. How about this scenario? This is from Nancy in Stroudsburg. She says, my dad passed away recently. We found out that we had another son in another state. Is this child entitled to any of the proceeds of the estate? So what happens here with Nancy and the son?
So Nancy, we're actually dealing with this exact situation in a case right now. It was a medical malpractice case that we were able to resolve for this family. And while we were, in going through this case and going through some of the, the papers of, of the father, found out that the father had another son in another state. And the answer to the question is, yes, that particular individual is is an heir and is going to be entitled to share in the proceeds of the estate. In this case that we're working on, there was no indication that he had ever given up parental rights or anything of that nature. It's a obviously very difficult, very touchy situation, but the law on this is that he's an heir and he would be entitled to recover the proceeds from the case.
And the good news too is as you know, we do primarily personal injury work, but we've listened to our viewers, our clients who want us to expand our different business lines. This is actually a new line that we just started. So we're taking what we do with Fellerman Ciarimboli, and we actually hired an estate lawyer who's now working for the firm. His name's Alex Russ, and you'll see him on The Law and You very shortly, but it's something new we're doing. We're going to offer the same great service for all of our clients out there and people who want us to help.
And really easy to get help from our attorneys if you need. The number, the website are on the bottom of your screen. And don't forget, results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks.
Thank you, Dave.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are there for you.